Hey guys, I am here with the Mercedes Benz Metris van Weekender. Let's check it out. Hi guys, I am really excited to talk to you guys today because, as you may know, my daughter's obsessed with living in a van and my husband's obsessed with Mercedes vans. And I live at ground zero for Sprinter Van Central, so I think it's only appropriate that I should be sitting here in this latest project that's a collaboration between Mercedes Vans, Peace Vans, and Driverge. So this is not a Sprinter van, it is a Metris, which is the smaller van. It's not a 4x4, but it's smaller. Obviously it gets better mileage. And if you haven't noticed, we've got this amazing pop tent. So we're sitting here very cozily on the bench in the back seat. The forward seats have been spun around, the captain's chairs, and there's a table. And this feels like we're sitting in someone's living room. It's actually pretty rad. So I wanted Harley here to talk about the relationship and the ecosystem that's happening with these vans, and what's the timeline with these? Like, can I get my husband one for Christmas next year, or do I have to wait?
Mama, there is no problem getting a van for Christmas next year. While we're not formally announcing ordering time frames, we are telling people you can get a van in time for summer 2020.
Awesome. Wow.
Yeah, and about the ecosystem, it's a super exciting project and something we've been working on for 2 to 3 years.
Wow.
Bringing this product to market. You know, we have ourselves Peace Vans. We have pop-up campers in our DNA.
And he's in Seattle,
out of
right?
Seattle, Washington. Also ground zero for van life. And
That's right. That's right.
Much like Southern California.
Yep.
Although we wear dry suits when we surf.
Sorry.
I know. So we have us that are passionate about the camper vans and really understand the market and the product. Clark here is with Driverge. They're our manufacturing partner in this ecosystem. And then all around us here today at the Chicago Auto Show is Mercedes-Benz that has built an amazing world-class van for us to turn into the modern pop-up camper van.
So you guys were telling me before that Driverge is essentially right near the Sprinter Van Factory.
Yes, we are.
So is that Atlanta?
No, it's Charleston, South Carolina.
South Carolina. Okay, so Charleston. So what is important with this, if you guys aren't tracking, essentially, is so by working really closely with Mercedes, they're not taking a van and putting a bunch of aftermarket stuff on it, right? They are working with essentially with the OE to make something that works seamlessly with the van. Would it be safe to say that if you would get one of these, you would still get the warranty? It wouldn't.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
Yeah, nothing we do voids the Mercedes warranty.
Fantastic.
With the Driverge network and the Peace Vans network and the Mercedes network, there's support for everything you see around here.
Fantastic.
Having put hundreds of nights of camping with my daughter in one of these, I don't think anything's going to break. And having driven 20,000 miles in a Metris, you're going to have a great experience. But just in case, to answer your question,
yeah,
you're fully covered.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's really great. And because Driverge has this great history with helping Sprinter vans become accessible vehicles, right? For
Correct.
Essentially the wheelchair market?
Yes.
Fantastic.
And we're part of the Master Solutions with Mercedes, building right with Mercedes there in Charleston.
That's really great. So I really like the idea of this being full circle and people using this to enjoy their lives with companies that are passionate about people enjoying their lives and making everything more accessible to everyone. So I can't wait to show you guys more photos. I'm gonna see if I can grab some photos out of Harley. He says he's got a couple good ones, including a motocross bike in the back of the Metris van. He says I can get my bike in here. Can we get both of them?
2 motocross, we can get 2 road bikes.
Okay.
I've never tried 2 motocross bikes, but back in Seattle, I have 2 employees, both with motocross bikes.
Yeah.
I can put that challenge to them.
Let's do it.
Won't happen today.
I want to see it.
But
We'll put it in the video.
Okay, it might take a few days
That's
to
fine.
coordinate.
That's fine. Worst comes to worst, you come to my house and you learn.
I'm down with it. I'm down with it. We will bring you a van.
Done.
Okay.
And so we don't have pricing yet?
Right.
Yeah, we haven't announced pricing yet.
Okay. Maybe I'll get some pricing for you guys a little bit later. And if you go to my Facebook page, I will, when the minute the pricing comes out, I'll put it on there so you guys all have it. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your life.
Thank you.